Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I know, it's been a minute. And a lot has changed. So today, we're gonna dive deep into my updated curly hair routine. So if you wanna see how I achieve these defined curls, keep watching. Let's get started. First up, cleansing. I'm going in with this hydrating detangling shampoo. This shampoo produces a rich lather to remove excess oils from hair and scalp without stripping. The key is to really massage it into the scalp and let it do its magic. After rinsing out the shampoo, I will now be following up with the conditioner, also from Keracare, and start by detangling with my fingers. This conditioner helps correct and prevent moisture loss due to exposure to chemicals. It also prevents breakage and splitting. After fully rinsing out the conditioner, I will now be grabbing the It's a 10 Coily Miracle Hair Mask. After the mask has been evenly distributed throughout my hair, I will now clip my hair up and let it sit for about 15 minutes. And then rinse it out and prepare to use. Going in with the Quiet Calm Curl Control from Innocence. This cream hydrates, shape, and define curls. Making sure I rake through my hair and separate and shape my curls. I will now follow up with the Inner Peace Whipped Cream Texturizer from Innocence. I will now grab the I Create Curl Memory from Innocence. My go-to method is still the praying hands when applying this gel. I will now be applying these products to the rest of my hair. And the final step of my curly hair routine will be using the Flawless Finish Hairspray from Keracare. This has been a game changer for me. I have now always finished it off for extra hold and volume. Now I will air dry for a little bit before I diffuse, do my little dance, and then come back with the results. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified on the next time I upload. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.